How to tell if the reverse lights work in your Volkswagen Polo 9N or any car, actually any car that has old technology that doesn't show in the dashboard when a light bulb is not working. All you need is really to have a relatively dark wall around you, because the light from the reverse is white, so on a white wall you might not be able to see a gray, dark gray, brown. Here I'm at the mall. Press the clutch all the time so I'm safe, the car wouldn't move. The important is not to let go of the clutch. Now it's reversed, and what's important, you look those pipes, there should be a white light on both sides of the car, but it's only on one side. And if I turn off the stop lights, I press on the brake lights, you see they both have both sides. Like this you can also check, you can check the brake lights. These are the brake lights now, and the position lights for the car. So position lights off, I could check the hazard lights, turn light indicator left, right. I see now it's only on one side, and you see in those pipes there is blinking on only on one side. If I press the brakes, it's two lights there. You see the reflection of the car behind, two brake lights. Then the position light, it's two lines, meaning it's from both sides of the car, but the reverse light is only one. Okay, I changed the light and let's see how it looks like. You see the reflection of the car? Yeah, now both are working. See both sides. Both sides are working now. I turn off the positions. You see clearly the reflection there. It's both sides white. Now reverse on. Reverse is on. Off. Reverse is on. This was how to check. This was how to check the rear reverse lights on your car, and actually all the cars. And actually, not only the reverse lights, but all the lights, you can check them like this against the wall. And actually I had that reverse light not working for some time, I think, but that's why you have two. And now the bulb is not the official bulb, it's one of the stoplights bulbs, but I removed that small tab because it was higher, it won't let it fit. And it's the same wattage plus 5 watts. It should be 21 watts, but this one is double, 21 plus 5. It's a bit more powerful, but it fits. So okay, I had this one, it was easy to replace. Thanks for watching.